So when we say unified communications and collaboration in the Microsoft world, we're really talking about three different components: Exchange, SharePoint, and Lync. While we're going to focus on Lync today, I think it's important to set the table of where the three touch and where they work together. So when we talk about these applications in the unified communication world, Lync is what handles our synchronous communication or our real-time communication, voice, video, IM, presence. Exchange is what handles our asynchronous collaboration, our person to machine, as opposed to synchronous, which is person to person, right? Email, faxing, voicemail, all of these are functions of Exchange, not Lync. And that's a great divide. There's usually a lot of confusion as to what function sits within these two applications. So it's important to understand that Exchange is asynchronous, and any feature or function that's going to come out down the road is going to fall along those lines. If it's a synchronous workload, it's going to be Lync. If it's an asynchronous workload, it's going to go to Exchange. SharePoint is that layer where we keep all of the content, the people, the processes, all of that information that we're looking to collaborate on. Because we're not just calling each other to say, how's the weather, right? We're calling to get work done and to accomplish a goal. So where is that people, processes, and content that we're collaborating on? And that would be SharePoint. So when you have the three together, that's where the most power in the system comes out. Right? Now you can replace any one of these with a point solution and it may be fine. But back to that earlier slide, we're looking for that collaborative effort. We're looking to bring things together. And that's the Microsoft concept, right? Best of suite. Right? Have everything integrated together. When we start throwing other components in here like Yammer or Office, that's where we start to see that integration and that connection, right? We cannot talk about our modernized applications if we don't sort of look at how they all fit together. And another great thing, I was talking with Chris Hertz, our CEO, the other day, and he had a really great point. You can't even talk about modernizing your applications if you haven't modernized your infrastructure to run those applications. That includes your desktops, your laptops, your tablets, your mobile phones. If you're still running 7-year-old equipment or 10-year-old servers, it's hard to modernize the application if the user access to those systems is out of date. Right? We have to kind of look at it holistically across the board.